Today we will be looking at a 5-minute scalping strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 130 different strategies, with 45 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We have also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. The source video says that best and most accurate buy sell signal indicator for scalping and day trading. And so we'll go ahead and turn these two off right here. And so the first indicator that we will add to screen is going to be the average sentiment oscillator. It's going to be this one right here. So you go ahead and add that one to the screen and it will look similar to this right here. Now you'll go into the settings and you will change the period to 35. I believe it was on 18 on the default, like I said, if I'm not mistaken. Once you do that, it will kind of smooth this indicator out a little bit and give it a little bit more length in between the switches of the lines here. And so the next indicator we are going to add to the screen is going to be the Andean oscillator here. And so you'll add that one to screen and it will look like this right here. That one we will leave on the default settings. So the average sentiment oscillator basically has two lines here, and those two lines are crossing either the red is on top or the blue is on top. And when the red is on top, that means that the sentiment is that we are in a downtrend. When the blue is on top, that is the sentiment is in an uptrend. And so now down here on the Andean oscillator, when the red line is above both the orange and the green line, that means that it is in a downtrend. The market is in a downtrend according to the indicator. And when the green line is above, see if we can scroll back here a little bit. Those are some of the tests right there. And so when the green line is above both the orange and the red line, that means that we are in an uptrend. And so what we are going to do is we are going to use the average sentiment to give us our initial direction of the trade. And so when the blue line again is on top of the red, that means we are only looking for long trades. And so what we are looking for then is for the Andean oscillator to then give us a green confirmation. So when the green line is above the orange and the red line. And so it's kind of hard to see. I'll try to zoom in here as close as I can. Well, maybe we can go in and bump up the line weight of these indicators just a tad bit more here, like so. Maybe that'll help a little bit. Okay, so you can see here that the green line crosses up above the orange line. Actually, it crosses right here, but we'll look at this signal right here. We see that it dips down below and then crosses back up above the orange line right here. So that would give us our signal to then go long. What we're going to do is set our stop right below the last swing, and we're going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward, see what we get out of it. And you can see it takes a little bit, but we gradually just climb up and up to our take profit. Let's go ahead and look at a short trade. Okay, so you can see right here that the average sentiment is red above the blue, just barely there. We just got that switch. And looking down at the Andean oscillator, you can see that the red line is above the orange and above the green. And so that is everything that we need there that meets the short signal. And so we will set a short trade right here. We will put our stop right above that last swing. And then again, we're going to target the 1 to 2 risk reward right there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward. And let's see, not quite to our take profit. All right, so it takes a little bit there, but we also come down nicely, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 21 winning trades, we got 29 losing trades. And so that's going to put us at a 42% win rate with the 1 to 2 risk reward. If you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, you would have got a total of $12,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $300 per trade, which means that you would have lost $8,700 for a total gain of $3,900 altogether. Not too bad of a strategy, so not too bad at all. Compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy that I've mentioned a few times before. We did 44 trades in the same period of time. We had 38 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting us at an 86% win rate. So on the winning side, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, you would have gained $22,800, and on the losing side, we would have lost $4,680 for a total gain of $18,150, again, during that same period of time, about a month of trading. And so significantly more profits from the Academy of Forex strategy versus this strategy, but this strategy is a trend following strategy, and the Academy of Forex strategy is more of a reversal strategy. And so the two working together could probably get you some really nice profits on both sides of the market. And so all in all, would be some really nice profits in general. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex strategy, you can get a free trial of the indicator when you sign up for our Patreon down below. You can find a link down below to that Patreon. And after that, it's just $15 a month. And so super cheap, doesn't cost hardly anything at all. You do need to maintain your Patreon status to continue to have access to it. So let's go ahead and go over the numbers from this week, the trades, I should say. And so again, for clarity's sakes, these are the trades each week from these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto pair on the 30-minute chart. And we're keeping a running total each week of the trades, a total profit from those. So last week we had 8 trades on the Forex pairs. Out of those 8 trades, we got 8 winning trades and 0 losing trades for a 100% and a gain of $4,800. On the Bitcoin, we had 1 winning trade, or 1 trade in general, 1 winning trade with, again, a 100% win rate and another gain of $600 for a total gain for the week of $5,400. 2 weeks combined at this point, we have $9,420 in profits. So a really nice profit for just a small handful of trades on these Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. So, all right, that's it for this video. This strategy, I think we will go ahead and put this one on the winning list. Like I said, I still think it's a pretty decent strategy, not too bad. And so all in all, not too bad at all. So that's it for this one. We'll move on to the next video from here.